So this is from the 1963 movie Mujhe Jeene Do. It was a dacoit film and it starred Sunil Dutt and Wahida Rehman in the lead characters. This scene comes after Sunil Dutt marries Wahida Rehman. Sunil Dutt is Thakur Jarnail Singh, he's a dacoit. Wahida Rehman plays Chameli Jan, who was a dancing girl. And it's an inter-religion marriage as well, but that's besides the point. So Sunil Dutt did many films where he played dacoit. I think if I remember correctly, the number is 20. He played 20 films where he played the dacoit. In fact, in the 2000 film Jungle, which is directed by Ram Gopal Verma, when all these people, who's a tourist group which is captured by the dacoits, a character called Mr. Chadda, which is played by Manmeet Singh. Manmeet Singh, if you remember, he comes as a Sardarji in many films or many advertisements also. Just Google it, the face will prop up. Manmeet Singh. So he plays Mr. Chadda in this. So his wife basically tries to intimidate the dacoit saying, DIG का हमारे घर आना जाना है. So Manmeet Singh gets angry and says, अरे दे दे सब कुछ उनको. And then he tells the dacoit, ओ हम तो शुरू से ही बहुत इज्जत करते हैं जी डाकुओं की. हम तो सुनील दत्त के भी फैन रह चुके हैं जी. So he tries to curry favor with the dacoits by bringing up the name of Sunil Dutt because he thinks dacoits like Sunil Dutt. First, his wife attempts to bring the name of a DIG and says DIG का हमारे घर आना जाना है. But Manmeet Singh, that is Mr. Chadda, realizes that a better name to drop here would be Sunil Dutt, not the DIG. Beautiful dialogue there also, but it's not worth featuring in this vlog. But it's a good reference, a good cross-reference for this particular dialogue because Sunil Dutt did do a lot of dacoit films and this was one of them. In fact, in his memoirs, he has written that while he was shooting, they later found out that a dacoit was always tailing them as part of the group. They came to know much later. A lot of stories is mentioned, you can Google them. So they were once captured by dacoits also. They shot in real locations. So after they got married, that is Wahida Rehman and Sunil Dutt, they are in a romantic kind of a situation and she brings a piece of barfi. If you remember, barfi is like a sweetmeat in India which has a silver foil on top of it. So sometimes when you eat it, the silver foil might get stuck to the lips. So when she gives him a piece, she also eats one piece. And that's when this beautiful dialogue comes. It's written by Agha Jani Kashmiri. Most people don't know him. He was a very good writer. But see the subtlety that people use here. These days it will be said in a very crude manner, but it can be said in a very delicate manner also. And this guy is playing a dacoit, for crying out loud. Today professors might not have this kind of nuance and subtlety. So what does he say? He says, "Isko kya hak hai?" She says, "Kisko?" So he responds, "Chandi ke is tukde ko," referring to the silver foil which is just got stuck here on the lower lip of Wahida Rehman. I'll show you the link. I'll show you the clip also. जो बर्फी के बहाने गंगा और जमुना के संगम में चिमट के बैठ गया है.
ऐसी नजरों से क्यों देख रहे हो?
इसको क्या हक था?
किसको?
चांदी के इस टुकड़े को जो बर्फी के बहाने गंगा और जमुना के संगम में चिमट के बैठ गया है.
You realize the subtlety? It's a prelude to a kiss. He is actually, although he's married, he's proposing that he's going to kiss the lady, and she obviously blushes immediately after that. But the way he says it, इसको क्या हक है? She says, किसको? चांदी के इस टुकड़े को जो बर्फी के बहाने गंगा और जमुना के संगम में चिमट के बैठ गया है. I haven't seen a more romantic or subtle proposal for kissing your lady love in any Hindi film, any English film, any language film. Unfortunately, nobody knows about it. That's why this blog exists, to let you know.